Are you currently using SciSpace but not and want to organize your work or your research is much better? Then I'm going to show you how to quickly create folders in SciSpace. And this is very easy. Guys, if you're new, welcome to the tutorial. And if you're a part of the channel, special welcome back to you guys. No, so how do you do this? Just simply go ahead and click on My Library on the upper right hand side. And from here, you will see you have the option to upload your PDF documents and so forth here. Now, on the left hand side, you have a section that says folders, right? And you will see that you have by default an untitled folder. You can easily go ahead and click the three dots and click on edit and just simply give this folder a name. So I can call this one test, for example. Then click away and you will see that it automatically edits. Now, in order to add more folders is also pretty easy. You can simply click the plus to create a folder there and you can give this one another one. So I'm going to call this new test as an example. Then click away or hit enter guys and you will see that it automatically saves that new folder. Now, whenever you're ready to upload files to your sci-fi for research or whatever, you can easily select those folders and just start to upload files within those folders. And you can use those to do your research and do whatever you want. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You also know that under the personal section, if you have, for example, Zotero, you can always import files from Zotero. All you have to do is just connect to Zotero from here, and you will need to accept those terms and so forth and give the permissions, and you'll be able to link your Zotero directly to SciSpace. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.